Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757, just doing a tool review. Someone sent me a tool to review on it. I've been having this DeWalt. It is the F891 impact wrench. And it is a fantastic tool. The batteries that we use are these lithium ones. I will put the description in the when the video comes out. You'll see the description. You can get both of these. You do not have to use the DeWalt batteries. These are the best generic batteries for this DeWalt tool. It lasts a long time. And one of the reasons why I actually really like this DeWalt tool, because it has this feature right here. So when I'm pulling off a lug nut, it actually has a computer sensor in there, and it actually will pull it off and stop. And if I put it on, say 1, 2, or 3, that is the strength of its torque. But I really don't ever use that. I always just use it on this one right here because I mainly pull off pull off lug nuts. And if I have a bolt that's real angry, I put it on 3 and it yanks it right on off with no problem. So I'm going to give you a good example of the reason why I really like it. And you can see my finger and you'll see the tool. And see, it'll stop by itself. And it doesn't keep on going and going. And when it tries to tighten up on something, and if it senses, I got a glare, I'm sorry, I apologize. When it's actually being used and it senses that it's tight, it'll stop by itself. So I'm gonna keep my finger on the trigger and you can see it stops by itself. So there won't be no tearing up stuff. And it carries on. Like if I put it on 1, 2, or 3, it'll keep going and going and trying to get this tight, but it senses it and it stops. And that's the reason why I like it. This is extremely good, very versatile, kind of on the heavy side because it's very strong. But I've been having it for over a couple months, and as you can see, it's dirty. I've been using it a lot, and I do think the person who sent this to me, DeWalt didn't send this to me. This is one of my customers, my loyal customers, and they want me to succeed, so they sent me a tool to check out, and I thank you. You know who you are. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.